Hey everybody, so this is an unboxing of a four-wheel drive front suspension kit for Ford Expedition F-150 to 250, Lincoln Navigators, upper control arms, inner and outer tie rods, and much more. I will get into this 14-piece set regarding the years for this specific set, but I just wanted to do a quick unboxing just to show you what I ordered and what came in the box and the quality of the parts that were delivered to my home. Most of you, if you're watching this video, you're obviously looking for car parts for your vehicle, and this particular provider is Brightech. Their Amazon store is connected to this video, and they have a ton of different products. They also have several different stores on Amazon where they sell car parts. So let me start breaking down what comes in this 14-piece kit. So in this kit you get your upper and lower tie rod ends. This is how they come. They come in a package like this. You also get the nut and the cotter pin that goes with it. Just by looking at it, high quality. All the nuts are in place. They're already lubricated on the inside. You'll also receive this front Pitman arm. Again, nut attached, a little bit greasy. I started to keep it in the bag, but again, high quality workmanship. As you can see, the grooves there for the gear that it slides over. So get two front lower ball joints. Now remind you, these are for four-wheel drive vehicles, and at the end I'm going to go over the vehicles that these are made for and what year. But again, as you can see, you have the nut here. You get the grease fittings, the snap ring. Everything comes in this package, in this kit, packaged individually. You also get your tie rod adjusting sleeves. I'm not going to take these out of the bag. You can actually see what it is. You get two nuts in the actual sleeve. You get two of these. And you also get two of your front sway bar links. Just showing you the quality here. Again, as you can see, you get two in the package. And this is my favorite right here. You get one front upper left control arm and one front upper right control arm, as you can see. And I'm telling you, I'm holding this thing up. This thing is heavy duty. I can tell it's well made. And again, you get two. You get the left and the right. Now remember, guys, this is a full kit. Okay, you get everything. You get the 14 pieces. You get the front and lower ball joints. You get the upper left control arm, upper right control arm, inner and outer tie rods in for the right side and for the passenger side. You also get the idler arm. You get the two tie rod adjusting sleeves. You get the two sway bar links, and you also get the front Pitman arm, which I'm about to show you here. And this is the Pitman arm that actually comes in the package. One of the things that impressed me about this company was delivery was here on time. The box was heavy. Just be mindful of the box. These are some heavy metal car parts, so the box that it comes in will be fairly heavy. But again, just from what I'm seeing, I would definitely give this thing 5 stars. Now, I haven't installed them yet, so I'll have to do a follow-up video after I install them. But again, just the quality, the workmanship, and what you actually get in this car. Now let me break down what actually fits this particular set. So according to the company here, it fits 4-wheel drive and 4x4 models only. Will not fit vehicles over 8,500 gross vehicle weight, so keep that in mind. It's compatible with replacements for 1997 to 2002 Ford Expeditions 4-wheel drive models, replacements for 1997 to 2003 for Ford F-150 4-wheel drive models, replacement for 2004 for Ford F-150 Heritage 4-wheel drive models. Again, these are all 4-wheel drive model vehicles. Replacement for 1997 to 1999 Ford F-250, 2002 Lincoln Blackwood, and 1998 to 2002 Lincoln Navigator. Again, all 4-wheel drive models. So if you guys haven't done so already, click that link and go check out Brightech and all the amazing high quality auto parts that they have to offer. I will make sure it's linked down below.